What's up, Kryptonites? Tim here with Crypto Night, hanging out in the man cave today, taking a look at the Bitcoin charts. We got some Bitcoin news, so we are retracing, and this is something I warned about in my previous videos. Okay, so Bitcoin is retracing, but what do we really need to focus on? First of all, the Bitcoin ETFs are doing amazing. They are seeing more volume than gold's first ETFs in this first few days here. Insane amount of volume on the Bitcoin ETFs. We have even more coming out soon. This is very bullish. Once again, like I warned about in the previous video, these are futures ETFs. So I was worried about getting a retracement because these are not spot-backed ETFs. If these were spot-backed ETFs, we would be mooning right now. But again, nothing goes up forever. We need retracements. It's a very healthy human behavior that shows up in the chart. So let's take a look at the charts right now in the man cave on the big TV. Okay, I'm on the hourly candles here. And as you can see, we are making an ascending broadening wedge here. And we made a little M pattern. We dipped down and we hit the bottom of our wedge. We also have this other line here. You're probably wondering, what is this other line? Well, if we back it up a little bit, let's go to the 4-hourly time frame to see a little bit more context as to what is going on here. And as you can see, we were in this wedge here. It's like kind of more of a neutral wedge. We broke out, and then we are potentially coming back to retest that line here, which is very normal behavior. So that target would be somewhere around 60 to 62,000. So we'll see. We might continue with this ascending broadening wedge and go up. So this is really not surprising. We have a decent chance, based on the volume that I'm seeing, a lot of negative volume right there. We have a decent chance, I think, of coming back and retesting, unless this little wink here, that might have been our kind of sort of retesting of that. But I think, again, based on the volume, decent chance to come back down, retest this top of this wedge here, and then continue upward because we are still in a very bullish bull run. As you can see here, I pulled out the fib retracement as well to get kind of a shorter term retracement. As you can see, the 618 golden pocket here is at 58,786 right here. So potentially, I don't think this is going to happen, but potentially if we were to retrace further, we would probably hit this golden pocket and then see some further upside. So, and let's even jump it out a little further to the daily to kind of see where we have even more. So according to this sort of ascending channel on the daily chart, we could actually see a dip all the way down to what looks like around 58,000, which is right with that fib retracement right there. That's the longer term one. So again, we could potentially see that testing the top of this ascending channel before taking off for more. So we're definitely in for a little retracement. Just depends on how much. Now, of course, with the daily volume, again, we saw a lot of negative volume here, and it's sort of tailing off. But we've had a little increase in the positive volume, but again, a lot of big negative candles. So I think we might continue to have a little more retracement before we're hitting one of these supports, either the golden pocket or the ascending wedge, or even worst case, the ascending channel before continuing upwards. So we'll watch and we'll just wait for those green volume candles to kind of signal that we're really pushing forward in a higher uptrend. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Make your own decisions. But these futures, man, these futures are bullish, but they're not quite getting us where we need to go. Quick mention, Ethereum over 4,000, had a nice little spike, is retracing a little bit now, probably going to retest that 4,000 as support before venturing on to further upside. But I was lucky to buy Polkadot around $18, $19, and now it's up to over 40, which I'm freaking excited about. Let's go. I'm also big into Cardano, waiting for that to finally take off. And that just needs time to cook, honestly. They just literally just got smart contracts very recently. So I think we still are going to hit that 70 to 71,000 before another retracement. So that's my predictions. But again, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Kryptonite out. Save your money. Grow your money. I'll see you on the next one.